atong challenge mao na pud siya ang Tagalog i-translate ninyo og English.
Sad.
Yes, una ta ni bayot, last boy lihang.
Hinoon.
Yeah.
Hinoon dako sa pambansang Ingin.
I-translate sa English ang hindi ako nagsisisi.
I'm not understanding.
Ha? Wrong. Wrong usa. Ah, hindi ako nagsisisi.
Sakto, I'm not.
Dili, wrong.
I'm not. I cannot.
Ha?
Sakto, I cannot.
Wrong. Hindi ako nagsisisi.
I'm teenager, not CCC.
Ha?
I'm teenager, I cannot miss simiti.
Wrong. Duha.
I cannot miss understanding.
Wrong. Tolo. Okay, Eloy. Hindi ako nagsisisi.
I don't miss.
Ha?
I don't miss.
Wrong. Saktong I. Oh, I una. Hindi ako nagsisisi.
I don't miss understanding. I don't miss.
Ha?
I don't miss.
I don't miss.
Hindi ako na.
I don't miss ko no. Duha.
Sisire.
Hindi ako nagsisisi. Hindi ako nagsisisi.
I don't to me.
I don't to me. I don't to me.
I don't to be afraid.
Wrong, tolo. Boylihang.
To our God, listen.
Okay, boylihang. Hindi ako nagsisisi.
I'm not afraid.
Usa. Usa. Ay, ang una ay.
I'm not afraid.
Wrong.
I don't wanna miss a thing.
Wrong. Kanta naman na. Duha. Hindi ako nagsisisi.
I don't know why.
Ha?
I don't know why.
Wrong, tolo.
I don't meet I'm not a genius.
Usa.
I don't
Dili, wrong nang I don't.
I mean
I have. Hindi ako nagsisisi.
I have sector understanding mo.
Wrong. Hindi ako nagsisisi. Unsa may English siya nagsisisi?
Very
Ha?
part.
Hindi ako nagsisisi. I have
me afraid.
wrong duha.
I have me can anything afraid.
Wrong tolo.
I have afraid, ma'am.
Usa. I have afraid. Wrong.
Sa English lagi sisi deh. Sa close sa English, ma'am.
Ha?
Saya.
R ang una. Pero usa ka mo kuan sa nagsisisi na pay I have. Ganun lang be para katapusan ang inyong taganon. I have no blank.
I have no why.
Duha. R ang una.
I have no afraid.
Wrong tolo.
R ang una? Tolo na ay. Ay naku naman.
R.
I have
Hindi ako nagsisisi. Hindi ako nagsisisi. I have no blank.
Kumara ni ko dai. Ay, lamok na kayo. I have no rights.
Ha?
I have no rights.
Usa.
I have no rar. I have no rar.
Wrong. Duha.
R. Ito yung katapos sa letter, ma'am.
S.
Yes. I have no rars.
Wrong. Tolo. Bayat na pa ka?
I have no runs.
Usa.
Rains.
Duha.
Rangers.
Tolo.
I have no rights.
Usa.
Rar is right is. I have no risk.
Duha.
Sama din na, ma'am. I have no rounds. I have no
Hindi ako nagsisisi. I have no
rounds. I have no rounds. I have no rounds. I have no rest.
tolo. Wala na?
Pass lang, pass.
I have no regrets. Regrets ang nagsisisi. Next. Bayot.
Hindi na.
Bilihan pa, ma'am.
Hindi ako mapigilan.
Hindi ako Hindi ako
Hindi ko mapigilan.
Hindi ako mapigilan. I'm not afraid so.
Ha?
I'm not afraid so.
I'm not
Afraid so.
afraid so. Wrong. Usa. Hindi ko mapigilan.
Hindi ko mapigilan.
Yug. Ikaw, itlog.
I can't get over you.
Wrong. Duha. Sakto ang I can't. Kanara mo na. Hindi ko mapigilan. I can blank.
I can't feel myself.
Wrong. Tolo. Ondel. Ondel.
Bunumbag mo, may.
Hindi ko mapigilan. I can't. Hindi ko mapigilan. I can't blank.
I can no stranger.
Usa.
I can now have money.
Duha.
Wag hindi man yun. Wag hindi
Hindi ko
man yun.
mapigilan.
Hindi ko mapigilan. I can't.
I can move this it.
Wrong. Saktong it.
I can move it.
Wrong.
I can move.
Usa. I can't blank it. Okay. Hindi ko mapigilan. I can't blank it. Ang mapigilan.
I can't move this it.
Wrong.
I can move it this.
Wrong. Tolo.
Ano ko, ma'am?
Boylihang.
Say, clue ma'am.
Hindi ko mapigilan.
Clue.
I can't
Clue.
blank it.
First letter ma'am. Ano kaportada? First letter.
C.
I can't care it.
Wrong. Usa.
I can't count it.
Wrong. Duha.
I can count it.
Tolo.
I can cave it.
Usa.
Ano, ma'am?
C gani.
Yan, sunod.
Last letter naman, last letter.
Last letter L.
Yan, pila ka liter.
Mora na akong clue.
I can call that.
Ha?
I can call it.
Wrong. Duha. Hindi ko mapigilan.
I can leave it.
Wrong. Tolo.
Ano to, ma'am? I
can't blank nya it.
can fool it.
Wrong. Usa. C. Una. Nya L. Ang katapusan.
I can fool it.
Wrong. Duha.
Clue ma'am, clue.
Clue.
Sunod sa si.
Oh.
I'm not cooperate it.
Wrong. Tolo. Bilihang.
Ito na. Si.
C. O. Nya L. Ang katapusan.
I can call of it.
Ha?
Call it.
Call
I
it.
can call it.
Wrong. Usa.
Pila ka letters, ma'am?
Oh, ayan. I can.
7 letters.
Qualified.
Hindi ko mapigilan.
So,
Gihurot na yung clue, oy. Hindi ko mapigilan. I can't blank it.
Clue na mo, clue.
say clue ma'am, sunod sa last L. Sa
Ha?
ilang last, sunod sa.
Oh, gihapon.
I can color it.
Wrong. Duha.
I could call it.
Wrong. Tolo. Napa?
I can kololol get it.
Ha?
I can kololol it.
Wrong. Usa.
Kolololol it. Wala pa. Ito lang. Pati kwartali dyan. C-O blank O-L. Yan, sunod blank.
Ha? Wala na. Mawala na. Wala na yung last. 7 letters. 7 letters.
I can't
Remove it.
qualified load it.
Wrong. Usa.
Mapigilan.
Duha.
Hindi ko mapigilan. I can fall this time. I can confident lol and never time.
Tolo.
Sama.
Control.
Lagi aha.
I can't control it. Hindi ko mapigilan.
Oh, di na control. Para to ni.
Next.
Control it.
Next. Bulihang.
Okay.
Loy. Hindi ko nabanggit.
Patay na banggit to sa nabanggit.
Hindi ko nabanggit. I can't speak it.
Wrong. Usa.
I can speak now.
Duha.
I can speak. I can.
Sakto to imong ay niya. Blank it.
I don't speak this.
Wrong. It ang tumoy. Ang katapusan.
Tulo na ma'am, tulo na ma'am.
Wala pa, dua pa. I can speak this it.
Wrong, tolo. Bulihang. Hindi ko nabanggit.
Didn't.
I didn't
First letter.
blank it.
First letter na, ma'am.
Ha?
First letter.
Klo? M.
I didn't mix it.
Wrong. Duha.
Dua pa.
Duha pa.
Excited ulit maro.
Oh, last.
I didn't master it.
Wrong, tolo.
I didn't mountain it.
Usa.
Ito, ma'am, hindi ko mapigilan.
Hindi ko nabanggit.
Hindi ko.
Saan ang nabanggit, ma'am? Sabi siya.
Nasulti ba?
Speak now.
Or nalitok? Ah, nalitok dahil nalitok. Wala ko na nalitok ba?
I cannot, sa to,
I didn't blank
didn't-
it.
I didn't mount it.
Wrong. Duha. Last.
M na ko na sa.
Oh, M.
Yang last.
N.
Mountain lagi.
Wrong.
Yan ang last, ma'am.
Oh. I didn't blank it. Hindi ko nabanggit. Wala na ako nalitok ba? Wala man na ako nalitok. Kaya ngayon ko wala na ako
I didn't sa.
I didn't blank it. Kaya ngayon ko wala man na ako nasulti. So I didn't speak it. Tato.
Taas na ang letters, ma'am.
Ha?
Taas na. I didn't,
M gaya ang una, then N ang katapusan.
I didn't misunderstand it.
Wrong, tolo. Eloy.
I didn't speak it.
Wrong. Usa.
Sabi
M managuna, M nya N ang
I
katapusan.
didn't mystery.
Wrong, duha.
I didn't. Hindi ko nabanggit.
Unsay English siya na wa ko na siya nalitok.
Gani.
Oh, wa.
I didn't speak now.
Wrong, tolo.
I didn't mount it.
Usa.
Mount it.
Duha.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
M gani nya N ang katapusan.
Ay, ma'am. Kabar ako, ma'am.
Sunod sa im.
E.
I didn't mean it.
Wrong, tolo.
I didn't mix it.
I didn't maintain it.
Maintain. Usa. I didn't blank it.
Nanam.
M ang una, A ang kaduha, ang last, N.
Nanam. Kabalo ko.
Ikaw, kapila na ako.
Pambindod ani.
Usa.
I didn't minton it.
I didn't minton.
I didn't minton it.
Tolo.
Ay, sa doha pa, ma'am.
Tolo na.
I didn't mean it.
Ha?
I didn't mean it.
Usa.
I didn't mean it.
Duha.
In man, ano lasan? Ayan, mulog ka, ma'am.
Wala, lagi ron,
I
lagi.
didn't mean it.
Tolo.
Pambindod. I didn't mention it.
Correct! 1,000. I didn't mention it.
Lamin ako, ada.
Mention ba? Wala na ko nalitok.
Abit mo yato. Kuminton it.
Oh, minton it ya ha. Ang bayot. Minton it. Mention. Ge. Last.
Pambindod na.
Last na ne. Wala akong sinabi. Oh, wala ko wala ko gisulti. I didn't gihapon una. Sige.
I didn't no speak.
Usa.
Say, go.
I didn't kani una. I didn't blank.
Lu ang last.
Ha? Ayan lang. I didn't say blank.
Nya it ang last.
Wala it. Blank ra.
Last na lang. Last talk na. Usa pa to, ma'am.
I didn't say blank.
I didn't say,
Wala akong sinabi.
I didn't say speak.
Duha.
I didn't say mention it.
Tolo.
I didn't say that.
Usa. Say.
Here.
Usa.
I didn't say it.
Duha.
I didn't say now.
Tolo. Boy lihang. I didn't say blank. Wala akong sinabi.
I didn't see this.
Usa.
I didn't see this it.
Duha.
I didn't see nothing. It.
Nothing?
I didn't
Wrong.
see nothing it.
I didn't say you.
Wrong to yung nothing. Usa.
I didn't say you. Wala, usa na rin ako.
Ha?
Usa na. You man.
Wrong gani usa.
Ako ni istorya ni mo. I didn't say.
I didn't say blank.
Di ba, ang sa to, imong tanap. Please repeat the question.
Wala akong sinabi.
I didn't say.
Wala akong sinabi.
I didn't say mouth.
Duha. Last. I didn't say.
Nothing.
Wrong! Wrong lagi ng nothing.
I didn't say.
Basta nothing ang katapusan.
Basta nothing?
Oh, nothing ang katapusan.
kabaw na rin ko, ma'am. Yeah.
I didn't say.
I didn't say everything.
Wrong! Usa! Wala, pita.
Kuya, naman.
I didn't say.
I didn't say anything.
Correct! Besa! Besa!